How to add social link on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap the menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. You can tap this and scroll down and go to contact info section. Here you can see the add social link. Okay, you can tap this and you can see the social link here. So you can see the add social link button below. So you can tap this and select the platform. So for my example, if you click the platform, so you can see the option. So for my example, I choose YouTube and enter the username of your YouTube channel. So for my example, I enter my YouTube username, Richard Kabili Vlog. And after you enter the username, okay, go back and you can see the pop-up below and tap the save change button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add social link on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.